guys, Aaron here. Today I am going to change the tires on my Ninja 300. Got some new tires for the track. Gonna take these over to my buddy Lamont's house right now. He has a little tire change setup over there and he's gonna show me how to change these. So I just wanted to make a video to share it with you guys. In case you guys haven't seen it, this is my little budget track bike. I got an amazing deal on it, so couldn't pass it up. Got a dedicated track bike and the time has come for new tires. So I decided to go with the Dunlop Q3 Plus Sport Max, and for my bike it's a 150/60/17 on the rear, and for the fronts we're going to the 110/70/17. All right, this is my buddy Lamont. This is his little chop shop here. Got a little MotoGP going on, a little AC, and we're gonna change some tires. All right, first we're just gonna pop this thing up on some stands. So we're gonna start by just pulling this little pin out, straighten it up.
I need a new one.
Sometimes you can reuse these, sometimes you gotta replace them. All right, it's a 24mm socket to get this thing off. And you just gotta hold the other side with the wrench over here. 17mm on this side.
A little helper here.
Oh, that's fancy. It's a pit bull accessory, I guess.
Yep.
So if you don't have one of those, you can find something that's the right height to put under there to take the pressure off when you remove it. Just move your caliper out of the way. Sprocket doesn't fall off. And we got a little Nomar machine over here. That's where the magic happens. Alright, so does that thing remove the valve stem?
Yep. Break the bead.
Breaking the bead all the way around it. $500. That's not too bad. If you do this a lot, it'll definitely be worth it. Have you done car tires with this thing before, or is it just for bikes?
I did one car tire.
Oh yeah? Do you not recommend it? Is that thing locking the rim in place?
Yep. This is what I use to remove it.
Soap-like lube. We're just prying the lip up over the top of the rim. It allows you to just spin that around and it'll pop right off. And then one more spin to get the bottom off. And you just check out the old tire to make sure you put the new one on in the right direction.
This is where you put it on.
Paste.
Yeah. And actually, this is the same as that. That's just this and water.
Diluted.
Yeah, no more.
They got their own product.
Came with it. Came with the machine. I don't have to put any money in it. this other end of the bar. Put it on.
And it's got 2 prongs.
This side's starting to pop out as I go around here. So I got this thing right here. Came with the came with the tire changer.
Get that side from popping out.
Yep.
The side of the 2 prongs just swings around. Put the tire on. Nice. Valve stem back in.
Turn that compressor on.
Yep. Fill her up with air. Alright, now we're going to balance the wheels. I found this little thing online a while back, so we're going to try to use it. It's a fairly simple piece of equipment. Slide it on the axle and lock it in. It's going to pop off the old wheel weights because they're going to be wrong. Now the heaviest point of the tire is going to go to the bottom. A little trial and error. So we're just gonna clean off the little area under there and stick 2 of them on. And that's still going to the top, so I guess we need a little bit more. Come over to the other side. There. Better. Yeah, it's not moving much. That looks like good enough for government work. Alright, if that thing falls out, make sure you put it back in and just assemble it in reverse order. The rear axle nut, you got to torque down to 72 foot-pounds, and the front one is 65 foot-pounds. Make sure that wheel is pushed all the way forward. And there it is. And just reinstall the cotter pin.
Yeah, definitely need a new one.
Alright, that was the hard one. The front one is a lot easier. No chain to deal with, so pretty much the same procedure. Take it off, replace it, balance it, put it back on. And you also have to loosen the 2 bolts that are holding the caliper on. What size are they?
12.
12 millimeter. And that will just dangle out of the way, as it is a 22 millimeter nut. So as far as the tire pressures, we're going to use the Ninja recommended pressures of 28 psi up front and 32 in the rear.